Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my pilot, Fiona. I have gotten in the car here to see about rolling her back just a little bit. I put the key in the ignition and now I get the blinky light. I don't know what the heck is up with that. I've never gotten it while driving. I'm not privy to get a check engine light. She doesn't love me enough for that. So I was going to try to give myself a little bit of room to, I don't know, roll it back. But now I feel like maybe I shouldn't do that. Anyhow, come out. Got these fabulous switches in the mail. I was going to roll it back and fail to do such a thing, so I'm going to have to squeeze my skinny butt right in here between this. Will you hold that, pretty please? Or, yeah, this is like so easy to do with one hand. So everybody wants to know where these switches are. I took my thing off. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter. Yank it out. Get it out of the way. So, down here, where I have unplugged this amazing switch, is your TCC solenoid, whatever, your single linear solenoid. Somewhere under here, which I have already taken out, is where the new one goes, right here. There are some really fun plastic harnesses. I took out 2 screws that hold them in, and I was going to pull this off to replace the gasket, but it's not leaking. I got the gasket. I'm just being lazy. This is a 22-inch wrench. It goes in there. I think it's like 12 or 14 foot-pounds. Don't quote me. It's not a lot. And this fun-loving connector goes back in. If a chick with a wrench can do this in flip-flops, anybody can. That's how I feel. Cut your all-purpose tacky gasket. As you can tell, I have used that up here. Make the money, young man. Alright. Got your nice 22-inch wrench. This would have been a lot easier had I gone ahead and pulled that solenoid right there. I would have been able to get to this little switch a little bit easier as far as unscrewing it, but I'm difficult and I learn everything the hard way. This is the gasket that you need for that particular solenoid. Looks like that. Oh, sorry. Horrible. Absolutely. Yep. Mine came off when I took it apart. I was lazy and put it back together because I cleaned out those amazing screens. But this is the nice new switch for that particular one. This is through your 3rd to 4th shift. The one that came out, that little sucker right there. The other one is literally right underneath the starter in front. It's really not that difficult to get to, and if you're good at feeling things with your hands, it's really easy to find. But that's the one that came out. So symptoms for this pain in my butt have been upshift problems only. We got 2 drain and fills on the transmission. It looked like absolute crap, even though the Carfax said everything was done on this thing on time. Mostly through the Honda dealership, too. Surprise, surprise. That was the reason I bought it. However, this is the nice, new, beautiful switch that we're going to be putting in. Anyway, so second to third shift was crap. It started with a slight over rev. I didn't pick up on it right away. So obviously that got past me the first couple of times it did it. But then we figured out, okay, replaced the shift switch down here in the front. And second to third, shift legs are a little bit longer, but it's not shifting the way that it was prior. So after we replaced that, and we started having a third to fourth gear problem, started shifting like crap, or not trying to shift. If I baby it up the RPMs real slow, she goes just fine. No problems. However, that being said, oops, probably help if I pop this off. Comes with these nifty things. Amazon has these. You can get both of these for like $100. Honda dealership wanted $127 for this thing. No, Becky. I'm a little too frugal for that. So it was like $54 at the Amazon Honda store. They got their own little Honda doohickey store going up in there. It's amazing. Oh, would you look at that? I left the gasket on there too. I'm sorry that y'all cannot see this because my video skills suck a little bit. You could see it a little bit. But let's see if I can get away with putting it in there. This would so be helpful if my child stayed here to help me video this. He had to go to work. All good, Becky. All good. I'm gonna fucking cry about this later. Oh my god. Shit. Of course, Becky, this would happen. Just gonna put that in there. Oh no! For the love of Pete. Anyway, there's the gasket. So, I'm gonna be mad because if this is aluminum, it ain't even gonna stick. Okay, got that. Well, we got the switch out. Yeah. Let go, magnet. Oh, come on, Becky. Of course, because it's aluminum, dumbass. Alright. Anyway. I don't know what all y'all backyard mechanics use to hold these damn things, but hats off. Pain in the ass. Oh, please excuse my colorful language. I'm usually a lot worse. I cuss at my vehicles a lot. Alright, anyway, so, whatever. Gasket, there it is. Let's see if I can get this on here. Oh, go figure. Of course not. Why would it be easy? Anyway, good lord. Oh, you better stay on there, you little thing. Seriously, I need a cameraman. This is a lot harder than it looks. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if I can do this without hitting the damn phone. That would be phenomenal. Of course not. That would be too easy, right? Oh, yep, way too easy. Of course. Anyway, It literally goes right here. You can get to it from the top. I'll put the switch in. The hole is like right there. Not my job. Pain in my ass. I'll be really happy if this fixes my problem. Y'all have no idea. I just bought this thing. It has been amazing, to say the least. I have thoroughly enjoyed driving it. I'm nice to it. I don't ride on it real hard because I want my tranny to live. Go in your hole. You little bastard. Get in there. Oh, come on. Happy Gilmore moment. Oh, come on, you little asshole. This would truly be so much easier if I didn't have to. If I would have took the damn solenoid off. Anyway, there she is. I found the hole. Ha ha ha. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this in, and hopefully this helps somebody figure out where it is, because they're all in different places. And this is a 2006 to 2008 3.5. The biggest pain in the ass is the fact that this is in my way when I try to tighten this, if this stupid thing wasn't on. But again, I'm being hard-headed and I'm not taking off the damn thing. So we'll see how she does when she fires up.